What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Okay, what happened exactly?
Yeah, I was on this left side, extreme left. I slowed down the way. I was very slow. Suddenly, all of a sudden, I had a bang impact on myself, and I realized that the scooter has banged me, and the scooter is out over there. He's flung out over there. We stopped the vehicle. That's the only thing. He was slow. I think he was in great speed. That's the reason he must have got flung on the other side.
Okay, so where were you heading now? From where?
I'm heading to Margao. I had a meeting in Hilton Hotel, and I'm heading back to my residence in Margao. I live in Gogon.
Okay, so any casualties you found who banged
Gradually,
you?
those guys have got little injuries. They've been shifted to the ambulance, and they've been called the ambulance, and they've been shifted to the GMC.
Okay, but how much loss occurred of yours now?
I really don't know. I'll have to call the borrow these people and check whatever the losses incurred. I really don't know.
But you were in your lane only.
I was saying, where's my vehicle? I'm there only. In this lane only, I'm going slow.
They came.
And he came from behind and he just banged into me.
What will be the speed approximately? What was your
speed? I really don't know. Look at the impact of the vehicle. You'll come to know what speed he has been driving maybe.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.